Hello, this is Jake Polson's bike check. It's my 2009 Nighttrain in purple. I've got a few bits on it. I've got Odyssey team grips, they're pretty nice. Black market underboss stem in red, done me pretty well. DMR wing bars in 28 in purple. RockShox Argyle 318s in black. Kinley front rim with an eastern hub. Red Velcar, small blockades. NS aerial pedals, unsealed in blue. Shadow Conspiracy sprocket in orange. And I don't know what brand, but a red half-link chain. Shadow Conspiracy seat, faded a little bit. Tense tyre system, tyre, Micro Nobby, NS Trailmaster White 26.